How to train your brain to be happy every day. Imagine waking up every morning feeling truly happy, without needing a reason. No waiting for the weekend, no relying on external things, just a deep sense of joy and peace. Sounds impossible? Science says otherwise. Happiness isn't something you find, it's something you train your brain for. And today, I'm going to show you how to rewire your brain for happiness, step by step. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you'll have practical, science-backed tools to boost your mood every single day. 1. Your brain is wired for survival, not happiness. Did you know your brain is naturally programmed to focus on problems, threats, and negativity? It's a survival mechanism from our ancestors who needed to stay alert for danger. But in today's world, this can make us anxious, stressed, and constantly worried. Solution: we need to reprogram our brain to focus on the good. Here's how. Gratitude rewires your brain. Every morning, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Studies show this strengthens positive neural pathways in just 21 days. Limit negative inputs. Reduce news, toxic social media, and complaining. Your brain absorbs what you feed it. Your thoughts shape your reality. Ever heard the phrase, what you focus on, you feel? That's because your brain filters reality based on what you tell it. If you constantly think, I'm unlucky, your brain will highlight negative events and ignore the positive ones. Solution: use positive affirmations. Instead of saying, I'm bad at this, say, I'm improving every day. Catch and replace negative thoughts. When you notice a negative thought, pause and replace it with a positive one. 3. The power of dopamine. Your brain's happy chemical. Dopamine is the feel-good neurotransmitter. It's released when we achieve something, experience pleasure, or anticipate rewards. But modern distractions, like social media and junk food, hijack our dopamine system, making us less happy in the long run. Solution: boost natural dopamine. Small wins matter. Break big goals into small steps and celebrate every tiny achievement. Exercise in sunlight. Moving your body and getting sunlight naturally increases dopamine. Reduce dopamine drainers. Less social media, processed sugar, and instant gratification habits. 4. Mindfulness, the key to lasting happiness. We often think, I'll be happy when I get that job, that car, that relationship. But happiness is only found in the present moment. Mindfulness teaches us to fully enjoy now instead of chasing someday. Solution: practice deep breathing. Just 2 minutes of mindful breathing reduces stress and boosts happiness. Savor small joys. Enjoy your coffee, a good song, the feeling of sunshine, without distractions. 5. Human connection, the ultimate happiness hack. Studies show that strong relationships are the biggest predictor of long-term happiness. No amount of money, success, or achievements can replace real human connection. Solution: prioritize relationships. Call a friend, spend time with loved ones, engage in real conversations, give more. Acts of kindness, volunteering, and helping others release happiness chemicals like oxytocin. Final thoughts: train your brain for happiness daily. Happiness isn't about luck, it's about daily habits. Here's a quick recap. Practice gratitude daily. Train your thoughts to focus on the positive. Boost natural dopamine with small wins and healthy habits. Be mindful and enjoy the present moment. Strengthen real human connections. Happiness is a skill. You just have to practice it. Which of these tips will you try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more life-changing insights.